Join me as I put 12 lottery math tricks to the test and see if I can actually increase my chances of winning. When it comes to playing the lottery, many of us rely on luck and chance, but what if I told you that there's a way to make smarter choices and potentially increase your chances of winning? It all comes down to using math to your advantage. A lot of people think that winning the lottery is purely based on luck, and while it's true that there's an element of chance involved, it's not the only factor. In reality, there's a lot of strategy and informed decision-making that can go into playing the lottery, and that's what we're going to explore today. Many people believe that each number has an equal chance of being drawn, but that's not necessarily true. By analyzing historical data and using mathematical techniques, you can start to identify patterns and trends that can inform your decisions. It's not about guaranteeing a win, but about making more informed choices that increase your chances. You might be surprised at just how much of a difference a strategic approach can make. By applying mathematical concepts to your lottery play, you can start to make more intelligent decisions and avoid common mistakes that many players make. Let's dive into the 12 math tricks that can help you increase your chances of winning. The first trick is to use frequency analysis to identify which numbers are most likely to be drawn in the future. By analyzing historical data, you can start to spot trends and patterns that can inform your decisions. The second trick is to avoid popular numbers, such as birthdays and anniversaries, which are often chosen by multiple people. By choosing less popular numbers, you can reduce the number of people you'll have to share the prize with if you do win. The third trick is to use wheeling systems, which allow you to cover all possible combinations of numbers within a certain range. This can be particularly effective if you're playing with a group of people. The fourth trick is to use the law of large numbers, which states that as the number of trials increases, the more likely you are to get closer to the expected outcome. In the context of the lottery, this means that the more you play, the more likely you are to win, although it's worth noting that this doesn't necessarily mean you'll win big. One of the most impactful tricks that I want to highlight is the importance of diversifying your numbers. Many players make the mistake of choosing numbers that are close together, such as consecutive numbers or numbers that end in the same digit. By avoiding this mistake, you can increase your chances of winning dramatically. Diversifying your numbers is so important because it allows you to cover a wider range of possibilities. By choosing numbers that are spread out across the number spectrum, you can increase your chances of winning and reduce the likelihood of having to share the prize with others. Another key point to note is that many players forget to consider the probability of each number being drawn. By understanding the probability of each number, you can make more informed decisions about which numbers to choose and which to avoid. Recapping the key points, we've covered 12 math tricks that can help you increase your chances of winning the lottery, from using frequency analysis to avoid popular numbers. By applying these strategies, you can start to approach the lottery with a more informed mindset and potentially increase your chances of winning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own lottery strategies in the comments below. If you're looking for more tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other video on the top 5 lottery strategies to avoid.